Hydrates. Certified organic raw shea butter delivers intense hydration to keep your skin soft and supple all day long. REVITALIZES frankincense and myrrh extracts blended into this formulation revitalize dull, tired-looking skin and restore natural glow. Anti-aging enriched with vitamin A and fatty acids. This body wash protects skin from damage caused by free radicals and protects skin from premature aging. MOISTURIZES. Coconut oil moisturizes dry, rough skin and keeps your skin touchably smooth for long hours. Apply to washcloth or hands to cleanse entire body or add a capful to warm water to create a spa bath. Coconut oil soap, sodium lauroyl lactylate, palm kernel, Glycol stearate, palm kernel, Stearamide, palm kernel, raw Butyrospermum Parkii, shea butter, deionized water, essential oil blend, Panthenol, vitamin B5, sodium lauroyl hydrolyzed silk proteins, soy milk, Cocos Nucifera, coconut oil, Lonicera Caprifolium, honeysuckle, flower, and Lonicera Japonica, Japanese honeysuckle, flower extract, Guar Hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, extracts of frankincense myrrh. Certified organic ingredient. Top reviews from the United States. Moisturizing. This is my first time purchasing the raw shea butter body wash. Your skin will feel soft and moisturized. I definitely will repurchase. The scent is light, which I like.